So in today's video we are going to be fixing this, and specifically this. This is James's Nintendo Switch, and the Joy-Con controller on this side has stick drift, which is fairly common. And basically you know you've got stick drift because the controller just does its own thing, and I can demonstrate that here. If we go into the controllers and sensors and then calibrate control sticks and then press down on this one, and can you see if I move it in the left down or right motion, it just pings back to the middle when I let it go. But if I move it up, you see it just slowly takes its sweet time coming down. And also if you leave it for a little while, look, there we go, I'm not even touching it and it's drifting downwards. Now I've already opened this up and had a look at this stick, and basically it's nice and clean, there's no dust or dirt or debris on it, and they are actually sealed units, so unfortunately you can't really get into there and give it a really good clean, so it just needs replacing basically. Now this is a really common thing on Nintendo Switches, and it's a bit of a pain. Hopefully in this video I'll show you how to repair it and get it sorted. Now get this Joy-Con off here and have a closer look. Hang on, hold your horses. This is just a quick disclaimer. Basically, this is the first time I've attempted this job on my Switch, and I probably don't do it the best way. I think you should maybe disconnect the battery. So maybe see this video as for entertainment purposes rather than just something that is absolute gospel. This is just the way I changed the thumbstick on James's Joy-Con. Is it the best way? Probably not. Is it the quickest way? Yeah, probably, but just take it easy, and I don't take any responsibility for your mess ups. So anyway, on with the video. Okay, so here's the controller off the Switch, and we need a Y00 driver to get these 4 screws off the back. There we go, so we should just be able to pry this open. You may need a spudger, there we go. So now we need to remove the battery. Got to be careful with these batteries because they're pretty explosive if you crack inside them, so just be wary. There we go, and just move the battery out of the way. And then this is the antenna. Just need to move that out of the way. Okay, then we need just a Phillips screwdriver to remove the battery compartment. So there we go. There is the Joy-Con. So then, it's a bit hard to see, but we have to flip this little black lever up. And then we can gently remove the ribbon cable from the Joy-Con. There we go. And then we just need the Phillips screwdriver again. You have to be really careful when you pull the Joy-Con out because there's this gasket here. You don't want to damage that. That is the faulty Joy-Con. So get our new one out. Go, it looks pretty identical. So again, we just got to be careful putting the Joy-Con on not to damage the little black gasket. It is in position. Get it screwed back in. Now these screws are quite delicate, so don't go too crazy with them because you'll just end up destroying the heads. So now we have to get the cable back in. And then once that's in, you just click this down. Perfect. So now it's just a case of putting everything back together. Now you might find that this button pings out. It's just easily put back in. There we go. So then we just got to get these screws back in. And then we've got to pop the antenna back in position, and then the battery goes back in, and then we bring it all back together. So we just get those first 4 screws put back in, and then hopefully we should be in luck. Well, it looks about right. Let's give it a go. Well, it seems to be working, but it needs calibration, so we'll do that quickly. Well, it doesn't seem to be drifting. Excellent. Right, so we just press X to calibrate. So push the control stick towards there, release it once it changes colour. There we go, and then we rotate it. Calibration complete. So now it's not drifting. There we go. So in about 5 minutes we've shown you how to change your Joy-Con controller sticks so they don't drift anymore. So thank you so much for watching. This video has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be back soon for some more vlogging fun. See ya!